How big was it?
And our body was like that.
Your body was that fat? Were you that muscular?
And our feet were this fat.
That fat? They were that big?
This fat.
Wow. Your feet were?
And it was just like this. I had a bunch of feet. And one head on top.
One head on top and a bunch of feet?
And a bunch of muscles.
Bunch of muscles?
A bunch of belly.
Bunch of belly?
And a bunch of back when my back grew. My back started to grow.
Your back grew really big?
Yes.
And what did you have to do? How did you get the people over the big crack?
Because I jumped over. I saw him got giant and just jumped right over the track.
Really?
Yeah.
What did they say? Were they happy? Did they tell you thank you, Savion?
No.
No.
I don't want me to be the queen.
Huh?
I don't want me to be their queen.
You want to be their queen?
They tell me to be queen
They tell you to be queen? Why not king?
because I jumped over the whole crap.
And so, is a queen higher than a king?
Yeah.
Good boy.
There was another boy. He was the king. He was just right over there in the crap. The she was coming right through. He went down, so I jumped down.
He went.
And I got him.
You went and got him?
Yeah.
Wow, you're so brave.
Yeah. There's a big dragon.
A big crack in the ground, and you just had to go and save everybody, huh? Say.
There's a big dragon. That's right, girl.
Huge.
He had a giant. There's a big dragon. Big dragon.
Yeah.
That's not good. Huge. And that's trying to get angry.
You got angry and you got huge.
Yeah.
You were just like the
And
Hulk.
I punched the dragon in the face.
You punched a dragon in the face in your dream too?
Yeah, it's in weird.
Oh my god.
And he said, he's trying to get angry at me.
He got
He
angry.
was angry at me. And I punched him right in the mouth. My face went really far.
Wow, and really hard too?
No, it was huge.
It was a huge punch, huh?
And I couldn't know. I couldn't know I was further down. And I couldn't know I could pick the dragon up when I was little.
You didn't know you could pick him up like that?
Yeah, he was huge. And I could come up and swim and I could swim.
You slammed him?
Yeah.
God, you're strong. Show me your muscles. Dang, look at you, Hulk. Look at you.
Yeah.
Yeah.